How to create this using CorelDraw. First, draw the perfect circle using Shift and reduce the size of the circle. Automatically duplicate the circle using right-click. Duplicate the circles and place it on the main circle you have created earlier. Use Ctrl-G to group the 3 circles and select the main circle and press C to vertical centering. Adjust the size of the 3 circles according to the circumference of the main circle. Duplicate another circle, reduces the size and press E to arrange centering horizontally and left alignment to the main circle. Now I will use the virtual segment delete tool so that we can delete the unwanted lines and areas and even shapes also, so that we can utilize the overall shape that we need. Now I created the shape so that I will use the Smart Fill tool that can analyze the overall shape. Using its color will flow through the overall shape that we are creating. Now we'll duplicate the shape and flip vertical and flip horizontal and create another shape. Then we'll apply the linear gradient using fountain fill and utilize according to the color that we apply. In this channel you will also learn more about basic drawing and painting. You can subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now let me change the gradient of the shape, that the bottom design will be appearing in different gradient. Finally, the design is ready, so we'll select all Ctrl-A and Ctrl-G to group, and next we can create the background using the gray color for shadow effect. I will create the eclipse and apply the black color. Then we'll convert the eclipse to bitmap and select Gaussian blur and select the pixel. So finally the design is ready, and thank you for watching.